What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel. My name is Ebony. Where she go? That's Jasenia. And today we are cooking dessert while our mother is making the food. But hold on. Okay. But there is I'm gonna be starting the dessert because she's about to get her hair done.
Oh, redone.
Yeah, redone. And then yeah. Mystique, you wanna be in the video?
Come on, come sit down, girl, so I can do your hair.
Alright. So we're making brownies. Fudge brownies.
What was it?
It says made with Dutch. Ooh. But anyways, I'm making fudge. Well, me and Justine are making fudge brownies. I'm gonna do the first half. It's made with Dutch cocoa. I mean.
Lord. Come on, Jasenia. I should be sponsored. It's cherry. Dumb light. It's cherry.
Coca-Cola. But so the ingredients say we need 1 egg. Okay, so the ingredients say we need 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of water, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So right now I have the egg, the water's over there, and then the vegetable oil is down there, so we'll get that in a second. I need a bigger bowl. Okay, so first, we're going to pour this in.
I don't know what type of chicks you had, but I decorate for every season.
Every season?
Yes, every season, everything.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, that. She's a savage. So they were putting jelly on her toast to eat with this pasta.
She's nasty. No, I'm not. That was good, actually.
It dropped, it rolled right here, and the dog just got up and took it. She was like,
Okay, so I just finished making it and then pouring it in here. Looks delicious. And then now I'm supposed to put it on 350. Say hi.
Misty can't talk.
Say hi. Come here. Come here. ASMR.
Wait, what?
I'm about to eat this chocolate in the bowl. Come here.
Ow!
You can't have none of this. It's chocolate. It'll make you sick.
I know, I'm sorry.
You see her little ears? Sit down. She knows the camera's right here. You see. Whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye.